Hello, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to briefly show you what's growing in our hydroponic garden that we started this year. So that was tomatoes, that's a blueberry tree we haven't planted yet. This is mint, basil, oregano, pineapple mint. That was cilantro and it died. And another basil plant. There's another blueberry tree we need to plant. And then in this bucket we have some more tomatoes, and see some have already started to ripen. So we'll be using that for some delicious salads. Another blueberry plant, 2 blueberry plants. Now this is an onion that I grew from a leftover onion. Pineapple mint again, some more oregano, basil, a lot of beautiful sweet mint, and some rosemary. And now we've traveled over to our cucumber plant. It has a lot of good looking leaves on it and some nice flowers that will be producing little baby cucumbers soon that will turn into adult cucumbers. And this is our watermelon plant. And on our back porch we've planted multiple bell pepper plants. So these are purple bell peppers. Aren't they cute? And this is a green bell pepper. It has flowers on it, but no fruit yet. And this is a red bell pepper. And this poor baby is our poor dead yellow bell pepper, but we did replace it. So that's what's growing in our summer hydroponic garden. And here's a 3 weeks later update just on the cucumber plant, because I'm always amazed at how fast they grow. So you saw before there were just a few flowers, and now we have very big cucumbers. Big compared to flowers, but nowhere near full grown. And there's some still going in over here. So see that one? So looking forward to a very productive cucumber harvest. And we put this netting up so that the vines can grow up this netting instead of out into the yard.